had the extraordinary privilege of actually being trained by Dr. Weinberg, and my lab now actually uses some of the technologies developed in his lab, whereby we humanize animal models to recreate human breast tissues and human breast cancers. And we use these animal models in various ways to try to understand the origins of the breast cancer. And Bob was alluding to the cancer stem cell, and that's once the tumor has already grown, these are the cells that fuel the tumor growth. But what happens before the tumor actually is manifested? Is it really the breast tissue stem cell or some other progeny thereof that gives rise to the tumor? And so we're using these new sophisticated models to address that. And we're also interested in looking at how other cells that surround the breast and other cells within the body, including bone marrow circulating cells and these surrounding non-breast cells, actually support the growth of these cancer stem cells and support normal growth, because we feel that these might be the targets that we also want to think about looking at with respect to inhibiting and preventing the spread and the further growth of cancers. So we use multiple models to look at that, and I think one of the things that we're starting to really appreciate is that while these cancer stem cells might in fact be targets that we want to use to eradicate breast cancers, we have to also think about how they can lie dormant based on these other cells in the body and with the support of the hormones and the bone marrow, and how all these different types of cells interact and play together to keep this tumor in its current growth state.